In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error. You've already submitted a request. Please try again later in LinkedIn Quick Fix. When LinkedIn shows the message, it usually happens when you're trying to connect, follow, or request access, like for job applications or joining groups too many times in a short period, or when LinkedIn has temporarily flagged your activity. It's essentially a cooldown that prevents you from sending the same type of request again immediately. To fix this quickly, start by refreshing the page or restarting the LinkedIn app to clear any cached session errors. In many cases, the message appears because the request was already registered on LinkedIn servers, even if it didn't look successful on your side. After refreshing, check your My Network or Pending Invitations tab to see if the request went through. If it did, you won't need to send it again. If the issue persists, log out and back into your LinkedIn account, or try using LinkedIn on a different device or browser. Sometimes the error is just a syncing problem between the app and LinkedIn's backend. If you're connecting with people, avoid sending multiple invites to the same user, as LinkedIn will block repeated requests until the pending one is accepted or withdrawn. You can cancel any outstanding invitations under Manage Invitations and then retry. In cases where the block is stricter, LinkedIn may temporarily limit actions for 24 to 48 hours, especially if you've been sending too many requests in bulk. In that case, waiting out the cooldown period is the only solution. To prevent it from happening again, spread out your requests, add personalized notes when connecting, and avoid sending too many invites at once since LinkedIn's algorithm is sensitive to spam-like behavior. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.